What number is 10 more than 197?
Welcome back. Are you ready for our third math quest? We've already tackled greater numbers and shown strong place value skills. It's time to take what we've learned and go one step further. Let's get started. Our quest today is to find what number is 10 more than 197. Let's take a second to think about what more and less mean. If we need to find 10 more, should we add or subtract? More means we should add, and our number will get bigger. Less means we will take away or subtract, and our number will get smaller. How do you think we can use our place value skills to help us when adding and subtracting? Great thinking. Place value helps us break numbers into thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones so we can add or subtract one part at a time. And our base 10 blocks are a great tool to help us see how the numbers change. This place value chart helps us break the number 341 into hundreds, tens, and ones so we can focus on one part at a time. If we wanted to find 10 more than 341, what do we need to add? 100, 10, or one block? We need to add one 10 block to the tens place. Did we add anything to the ones place? Nope. Our ones will stay the same. We added one more 10. How many tens do we have now? Right, 5 tens, or 50. Nothing changed in our hundreds place, so this is still 300. So 10 more than 341 is 351. Oh, what's this? A clue? It says skip count to add tens and hundreds. What a great idea! Do you remember how to skip count? When we skip count, we count by groups instead of one at a time. We know how to skip count by twos, fives, and tens, which can help us here. Let's check our answer with skip counting. In 341, we have a 4 in the tens place, which represents 40. If we were to count by tens, what would come after 40? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if we skip count by tens, starting at 341, our next number would be 351. What would come after that? You've got it. 361. We could continue to count 371, 381, 391. Skip counting is a helpful tool to find 10 more. What if we needed to find 10 less? What would that look like? Let's find 10 less than the number 523. We will still focus on the tens place first, but instead of adding a 10, what do we need to do? Yes, we need to take away or subtract a 10. So I'm going to take one of these blocks away. How many tens are we left with? 1. Taking away one 10 didn't change the ones or hundreds place, so our number is 513. Okay, I think we've mastered 10 more and 10 less. Let's challenge ourselves with the next place value. What if we wanted to find 100 more or less? I think we can use the same strategy to find 100 more, but instead of looking at the tens place, which place do you think we need to focus on here? Good thinking, our hundreds place. We can add 100 block. But let's not forget about our clue. Do you think we could also try to use skip counting? We can skip count by 100s. Think of our number 469 as groups of hundreds, tens, and ones. We saw that when we skip counted by tens, our tens place changed. So when we skip count by 100s, which place do you think will change? Yes, our hundreds place. We started with a 4 in the hundreds place, which represents 400. Let's practice skip counting our hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. What does our added 100 block make? Right, 500. Adding 100 doesn't change anything in the tens or ones place, so they stay the same. When we put it all together, what will our new number be? 569. See how much simpler that was? Skip counting helps us add quickly without needing to count every single number. Now, let's try finding 100 less than 664. Think about which place we need to focus on and what we need to take away. Then, use the base 10 blocks or skip counting to help you. Take a second to solve. What is our new number? You got it! When we take 100 away from 664, we get 564. Awesome job! I think we're ready for our quest. Our quest is to find 10 more than 197. Which digit should we focus on first? Right, our 9, because it's in the tens place. We've been skip counting by tens, and so far only the tens place has been changing. If we add one more 10 here, what would our new number be? 197, 110, 7? Wait a second, that can't be right. Something feels different about this problem. This reminds me of an important lesson from our last quest. Do you remember what we can make with 10 tens? Yes, 100. We can take our 10 tens blocks and exchange them for a 100 block. How many hundreds do we have now? Right, our 100 grew to 200. How many tens? 0, because we exchanged all 10 of our tens for 100. And our ones will stay the same. What will our answer be? You got it! 207. Pause the video and write the answer on your math quest. Whew, this was a tricky quest, but we discovered something powerful. When we add tens or hundreds, most of the time, only one place changes. But when we reach 10 tens, they combine to make a new 100, changing both our tens and hundreds place. Our tens place becomes 0, and our hundreds goes up by 1. Just like how we learned that 10 hundreds combines to make 1,000. Let's input our answer. Great work! We used our place value and skip counting skills to add and subtract tens and hundreds, and we discovered a powerful trick that will help us as we work with greater numbers. Remember, every problem has a solution, and we've got the skills to solve it. See you next time!